Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I'm here with my latest unboxing. I got very lucky at the Jimmy Choo outlet not too long ago, and I managed to find an affordable pair of over-the-knee 120mm high-heeled boots. So I'm really excited, and I'm just going to tear into it and show you guys what I got. And this is a little bit different because this is a big box. It's a big one. I wasn't kidding when I said over the knee. This thing was huge. They had to like rig this like bag for me to be able to take it out to the car. It was kind of odd. You would think that Jimmy Choo would have a big enough bag for over the knee boots, but I guess not, at least not at the outlet. But at least this unboxing I get the pretty paper to tear into rather than just open the box and boom, shoes. Now I also have to tear these out of plastic packaging, which is nice, so that way at least I know my boots are protected. But I don't know if they can fit on camera or not, but here they are. 120mm with probably like 10mm platform, give or take. They do not have any zippers or anything, so they are a bit of a pain in the butt to get on and off, but overall I am really excited about these. I'll pull out the other one to show you guys, just so that way you guys can see both before I throw them on. Sorry if this looks really janky. This is my first time unboxing boots on camera, and they're huge in comparison to what I typically unbox. But overall, super pretty. They look even better on the leg. My only wish is that I wish it fit the ankle a little bit better, but that's okay, because these retailed at $1,500. I got them for a little over $200, so who am I to complain, right? And something else that I like about these is that they know you're probably going to wear these in the rain. Look at this. I've never seen that at Jimmy Choo before. Like, usually it's just that exposed leather, but with this, they put like a little rubber grippy on the bottom. So that way you're not going to be slipping all around in the water, you know. So these will be really nice to wear when it's raining out, if it ever rains in California. That's kind of rare nowadays. But I will go ahead and throw those on for you guys, and I will see you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. So I thought I would throw in shots of the whole boot on the entirety of the leg, and I thought I would throw in shots of just the actual heel itself, since I know some of you would want a close-up look at that. So might as well make everyone happy, right? I will be doing a first use, first impressions video on these because I have never had designer boots, and I want to see if Jimmy Choo can make something that I can wear regularly. So I will definitely see you in that video, and hopefully I will see you in the next pair of shoes. Bye!